In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Gokwik with Shopify, a process that will enhance your e-commerce platform by streamlining your checkout experience. Whether you're looking to improve customer satisfaction or just aiming to simplify transactions, this integration can make a big difference. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. To start, you'll navigate to the Shopify App Store. This can be done directly from your Shopify dashboard or by searching for the App Store in your search engine. Once you're there, you'll want to type Gokwik into the search bar to quickly locate the appropriate app. You'll see various options pop up, but for our purpose today, we'll focus on selecting Quick Cod and Checkout. This app is specifically designed to provide a seamless checkout experience for your customers, ensuring they have a smooth transaction each time they visit your store. Once you've clicked on Quick Cod and Checkout, you'll be taken to the app's dedicated page within the Shopify App Store. This is where you can get a detailed overview of the app's features and how it can benefit your store. Take a moment to read through the description, explore user reviews, and familiarize yourself with any terms and conditions that might apply. It's always beneficial to know exactly what you're integrating into your business platform, ensuring it aligns with your specific needs. After reviewing the app details, you'll proceed by clicking on the Add App button, prominently displayed on the page. This will kickstart the installation process, which is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. Once you click this button, you'll be prompted to follow a series of instructions or requests for permissions. These are standard procedures to help establish a secure connection between Gokwik and your Shopify store, making sure that the integration is both safe and effective. During the installation, it is crucial to carefully follow each prompt. You might be asked to log into your Shopify account if you haven't already, or to confirm some of your store settings. It's important to pay attention to these details since they pertain to the functionality and security of the app within your store's ecosystem. Once you complete these steps, the app will be installed on your store, and you'll notice new features appearing on your Shopify dashboard related to the Gokwik functionalities. And there you have it. With those easy steps, Gokwik is now successfully integrated with your Shopify store. This will not only improve your checkout process, but could also potentially increase your conversion rates as customers experience a more efficient purchase journey. Remember to explore the app further and customize its settings to suit your business needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you add another tool to your e-commerce toolkit.